Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The best Garnier Honey is probably one of the most sought-after hair care products for those seeking intensely nourished and revitalized locks, promising a transformation from dull, dry strands to a visibly healthier, shinier mane with its unique blend of honey and natural extracts, designed to deeply condition and repair damage, leaving your hair feeling incredibly soft, manageable, and smelling divine, making it a must-have for anyone dreaming of salon-quality results right at home. Number 5. Kitsch Rosemary Biotin Shampoo and Conditioner Set. Introducing our Rosemary and Biotin Shampoo and Conditioner Set. It's designed to help your hair grow stronger and appear thicker. Experience the power of this set to strengthen each strand and add beautiful volume. Say goodbye to thin-looking hair. We've crafted this formula without parabens, sulfates, or silicones. It's gentle on your hair while providing essential nourishment. This convenient 2-pack features solid shampoo and conditioner bars. They are an eco-conscious choice for your hair care routine. Achieve your hair growth and thickness goals with this targeted treatment. Enjoy healthier, more vibrant-looking hair. What we like. This set is designed for those seeking enhanced hair growth. It works to strengthen and thicken your strands, offering a sulfate-free experience. If you're looking for fuller, healthier hair and prefer to avoid sulfates, this is a great choice. What people say. The honey in this shampoo and conditioner set helps to moisturize and nourish hair. It leaves hair feeling soft, smooth, and manageable. The scent is pleasant and not overpowering. Number 4. Kitsch 4PC Sampler Bars Shampoo and Conditioner Set. Discover the Kitsch Shampoo and Conditioner Set, a 4-piece sampler featuring our best-selling bars. Experience bottle-free beauty for healthier hair. Our rice water shampoo and conditioner are designed to promote hair growth. Achieve stronger, longer locks with this nourishing pair. The castor oil shampoo is perfect for repairing damaged hair. It works to restore vitality and strength from root to tip. Indulge your hair with our coconut oil conditioner. It provides deep moisture, leaving your strands soft, smooth, and hydrated. Embrace sustainable hair care with these convenient, bottle-free bars. They are perfect for travel and reducing plastic waste. This set addresses growth, repair, and moisture for all hair types. Enjoy a complete hair care routine in one convenient package. What we like. Experience a range of benefits with this sampler set of bars. Enjoy the convenience of bottle-free beauty and explore different formulations for growth, repair, and moisture. If you like trying new things or are looking for eco-friendly travel options, this is perfect for you. What people say. It leaves my hair feeling soft and manageable. The honey scent is pleasant and not overpowering. My hair looks shinier and healthier after using this product. Number 3. Keranique Damage Control Shampoo and Conditioner. Are you struggling with damaged and thinning hair? Our shampoo and conditioner are designed to provide intense repair and strengthening. Infused with powerful ingredients like keratin, biotin, and panthenol, this formula works to rebuild and fortify your strands from within. We believe in gentle care. That's why our products are free from sulfates and parabens, ensuring a clean and effective treatment for your hair. Say goodbye to breakage and hello to healthier, more resilient hair. Experience the difference that targeted care can make. This specialized system is perfect for those with damaged or thinning hair. It helps to restore vitality and promote fuller appearance. Our unique keratin amino complex works to deeply nourish and protect your hair. Feel the renewed strength and smoothness with every wash. What we like. Targeted for damaged and thinning hair, this duo focuses on combating breakage. Its keratin-infused formula provides intense repair and strengthening. If your hair is prone to breaking or you're experiencing thinning, this set offers the targeted care you need. What people say. This shampoo and conditioner set is infused with honey, known for its moisturizing properties. The formula helps to nourish and hydrate dry, damaged hair, leaving it feeling softer and smoother. It effectively cleanses the hair without stripping natural oils, maintaining scalp health. Number 2. Garnier Whole Blends Argan and Camellia Oils Conditioner. Unlock the secret to luminous, silky hair. Our unique blend nourishes deeply for a healthy glow. Experience the richness of Moroccan argan and camellia oils. These precious ingredients work together to revitalize your locks. Tired of dull, lifeless hair? This conditioner is designed to leave your strands feeling incredibly soft and smooth to the touch. Our formula is crafted to be gentle yet effective. It provides essential moisture without weighing your hair down. Transform your hair with the nourishing power of whole blends. Enjoy a truly illuminating shine with every wash. What we like? Achieve a radiant, silky shine with this illuminating conditioner. It's enriched with Moroccan argan and camellia oils for a luxurious feel. If you desire smooth, glossy hair and want to add a healthy sheen, this product will deliver beautiful results. What people say. This shampoo and conditioner set is a game changer for dry hair, leaving it incredibly soft and manageable. The honey-infused formula deeply moisturizes without weighing hair down, making it feel healthier and look shinier. I love how this set smells amazing and leaves my hair feeling clean and revitalized after every wash. Number 1. Garnier Whole Blends Honey Treasures Repairing Set. Is your hair feeling dry and damaged? Discover the nourishing power of our Honey Treasures Repairing Shampoo and Conditioner. It's designed to bring life back to your locks. Experience the gentle yet effective formula, enriched with the natural goodness of honey. This blend works to repair and strengthen your hair from root to tip. Specifically crafted for those struggling with dryness and damage. Let this set transform your hair, leaving it feeling soft, smooth, and revitalized. Enjoy a luxurious cleansing experience that doesn't strip your hair's natural moisture. Followed by deep conditioning, it leaves your hair manageable and healthy looking. This convenient set provides everything you need for a complete hair repair routine. Achieve salon-quality results in the comfort of your own home. Embrace the feeling of beautifully restored hair. With regular use, you'll notice a significant improvement in texture and overall health. What we like? This set is specifically formulated to repair dry and damaged hair. Its honey-infused ingredients provide intensive moisture and nourishment. If your hair feels rough, brittle, or lacks hydration, this is the ideal solution for restoring softness and health. What people say. Leaves hair feeling soft and moisturized. The honey scent is pleasant and not overpowering. Helps to detangle hair easily, making it smoother. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.